By the end of this video, I'll show you how to link your YouTube channel directly in your email. First, we'll start in an email that we put together. We're going to add a list of excerpts from our YouTube channel that people can just click into and view the video. So we'll drag the RSS feed element right into the email. And now we just need our YouTube channel's URL. So just go to your YouTube channel and simply copy the URL from the address bar. Back in our email, we've got our RSS video element right here. We'll just paste in our YouTube's URL. And now we have excerpts from each with an image, the title, and a link to go watch the video. There's also some other information in there as well, and I'll show you how to customize that stuff. Now, the really cool thing about this is you can hit refresh feed and you'll actually refresh with brand new videos if you've updated them. You can control the number of videos being shown in this excerpt. But I think we'll keep it at 4. I think that's perfect for this. You can change the layout too. There's this block layout which has them kind of side by side, or the postcard which is kind of more stacked. I like the postcard, so we'll keep it like that. We can change that order by date and text color, and this is where we can control what shows up in those blocks. So if we want to take out the description or the author or the date, we can do that. Now, when somebody receives this email, all they'll need to do is click on that link next to the video thumbnail and be taken right to your video. Adding your YouTube channel directly to your email is really powerful because it introduces your channel to a new audience. Just because they're your subscribers doesn't mean they even know you have a YouTube channel, so it's a great way to grow that channel. It helps keep your subscribers up to date on your latest YouTube videos. Using that refresh feed button, you can actually refresh that feed and send out new copies of that email with brand new up-to-date content that you've added to YouTube. And one little bonus hint, you might want to think about linking your landing page in your video's description to help grow your email list, just in case people come across your video or in case somebody on your list sends your video to somebody who's not on your email list yet. You want to make it as easy as possible for them to get on your list. In fact, real quick, here's how to do that. You'll just copy the URL of your landing page, go to your video and click to edit it, and add it right to the description. Not a subscriber yet? Sign up here, and then we'll add the link. And then save. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out on any of our new email or small business marketing content. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And if you're not a customer yet, click here. It's absolutely free to start building your business with Aweber. Check out some of the other videos in our channel and let us help you reach your audience and grow your business.